Welcome back to the video on Google Classroom. In this video, we will learn how to grade an assignment and have a preview of a Google Classroom using a student's account. Now, to open an assignment for grading, the first method we can do is by clicking on the assignment from the Stream tab. I click on this assignment. Here, the details of the turned assignments are shown. One assignment is turned in. I click on this assignment. It opens a new tab where I can grade the assignment. Now, moving on to the second method, I click on the classwork tab. Here I click on the assignment. Again, the turned in details and assigned details are shown. I click on the turned in. Again, I click on the attachment here. A new tab with the assignment is open where I can grade the assignment. Now moving on to the third method. I click on the People tab. Here I click on the student whom assignment I am going to evaluate. Here the assignment detail is shown that it is turned in. I click on it. Now I click on the image. Again it opens a new tab where the assignment can be graded. Now moving on to the fourth method. I click on grades. Here again I click on the student whom I'm going to check. Again it opens where I can see the turned in assignment. I click on the image. Now again a new tab with the assignment turned in is open so that I can grade it. All four are the same tab. Any of the method can be used to grade the assignment. Let us start grading the assignment. Here the rubric is shown. The first criteria given is logic diagram. The logic diagram is available here. I can and post a comment. I have posted a comment for this particular part, but the diagram is correct, so I am going to post it as 100. Truth table. I've posted a comment now. Truth table is also correct. I've selected excellent here. So 30 marks is assigned. If I want, I can post a private comment also additionally. Now I click on written. Again I click on written on this drop down box. Once I click on written, student will be notified of the grade. Now this particular assignment is corrected. Here we click on grades. As you can see, for this particular student, 30 points is given. Now this is the student view. I've opened this using a student's account. As you can see, they have only 3 tabs: Stream, Classwork and People. They do not have an additional grade. In the Stream, they can see the notifications, and I click on Classwork tab. Here the topics are shown. Now I click on people. The teacher and the classmates are listed in the people tab. I move back to the classwork tab. I click on the quiz here. As you can see, the Google form is here. By clicking on this Google form, I can attend the quiz. Here the rubrics is given. I click on this icon here, expanding icon. The rubrics is shown clearly, and this add or create icon at the right hand side. Once I click on it, for assignments I can use any of this and upload the assignment. Once it is uploaded, I submit it. I can even message my teacher privately. Here the private comments. I click on this assignment here. Let us see the grade. This is how the students get their grade. The rubrics and how much marks they've scored is shown here. 15 points for excellent is shown here. If they want, they can resubmit the assignment as well. I hope everyone has got a pretty good idea of Google Classroom from a teacher's point of view as well as a student's point of view. Thank you.